Good morning, Joe. Good morning from Bellagio. We are walking into the center of Bellagio right now. We are going to have lunch. We're going to shop around for a little bit. We explored the neighborhood a little bit last night when we arrived, but we didn't really get a chance to explore around and really go in the shops and look around and see everything. So that's what we're doing this morning. We made some friends.
We met our neighbors.
We met our
and Mary Paul.
They are from Belgium.
Belgium.
Yes, and Joe had a wonderful little conversation with them, and we actually were invited.
To dinner with them tonight.
Yes.
No obligation.
No obligations.
7 p.m. we just knock on their door.
For now, we're just going to be exploring town, walking around, seeing the sights, visiting more of beautiful Lake Como. So let's come along, guys. So we are here at Antici Sapori Bistro and Restaurant. I heard about this place on YouTube actually, and I wanted to give it a shot. So we're here, we're gonna have some pasta, some pizza, some cheese, I believe. So let's go ahead, get started, and let's dig in. What time is it?
Must be new. I think it's new. Yeah.
Look at this cheese. All local, all fresh, even along with the honey. Joe is savoring all of these cheeses. Always go through a ranking of which ones are favorites. And he's trying to turn off his other senses to take in which one is his favorite. Looks like we got a soft cheese, a parm, maybe a mild over there, and some other cheese. But what do you think? How do you rank them?
So I'm terrible at describing how things taste, but I think I like that one first, that one second. And then it's kind of a toss-up between these two. I do like parm though, which it's interesting you don't like parm because you love parm with your pasta.
I do.
You know, it's just interesting.
I don't know. It's
They're
pretty.
all really good.
They are all really good. The cheese here has been wonderful so far. All right, we got our food, everybody. Look at that pizza. Oh, and pasta. But oh my goodness. Let's dig in. So we are done walking through town for now, and we had some lunch. We shopped around a bit. Oh, we got some wine.
We got wine, some pasta. I got some
seasoning.
Pesto sauce, and we got some seasoning, yeah.
Yes, so we made out. We got quite a bit of things here in town. And now we are just going back to relax for a little bit and maybe going out on a boat a little bit later. So we'll check in soon.